How to start a sport mode on Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Keep watching. Wake up the screen. Tap the screen or raise your wrist. Swipe up to open the menu. Tap on Workout. This opens the list of available sports. Choose your desired activity. Examples: walking, running, cycling, treadmill, rowing, jump rope, etc. Tap the activity. Then tap Go to start tracking. The band will begin recording time, heart rate, calories, and steps or distance. During workout, swipe to see different stats: time, heart rate, pace, etc. You can pause or end the session by tapping the appropriate icon. After workout, the band shows a summary: duration, calories burned, heart rate, etc. Full details are synced to the Mi Fitness app for analysis. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.